Sometimes the smallest ideas have the biggest impact. Welcome back to Tiny Inventions That Changed the World, Episode 8. From a staircase that wasn't supposed to move people to a drink that became a global sensation. Today's list is full of accidental genius and surprising innovations. Let's get started. Number 1. The escalator was invented by Jesse Reno in 1892, initially as an amusement ride at Coney Island. Jesse's design for a moving staircase was intended to thrill visitors, but when the public saw its efficiency in transporting people, engineers and architects saw its true potential. This led to its widespread adoption in subway stations, shopping malls, airports and office buildings. Today, the escalator is a vital part of modern infrastructure, helping move millions of people daily with minimal effort. Number 2. The smoke detector George Andrew Darby patented the first heat and smoke detector in 1902, however the version was very basic. The one that resembles the detectors today was an accidental discovery by Walter Jaeger, who was trying to develop a sensor to detect poisonous gas. When cigarette smoke accidentally triggered the device, Jaeger realized he had stumbled upon something much more important. In the 1960s, his invention was adapted into the smoke detectors we rely on today, providing critical early warnings in case of fire. This tiny gadget has become indispensable in homes, businesses, and public buildings, saving countless lives by giving people the chance to escape dangerous fires. Number 3. The ice cream cone. At the 1904 St. Louis World's Fair, an ice cream vendor ran out of serving cups during a busy event. Nearby, a waffle vendor by the name of Arnold Fornacho noticed the crisis and thought quickly. He rolled his waffles into a cone to serve ice cream in. This impromptu creation caught on so quickly that the ice cream cone became a global sensation. While it may seem like a simple idea, this tiny invention changed the way we enjoy ice cream today, offering portability and convenience. Number 4. The color-changing mood ring. In the mid-1970s, Maris Ambatz and Joshua Reynolds were experimenting with liquid crystals, which are materials that change color based on temperature. They realized that when worn on the finger, the color would reflect changes in body temperature, which are often tied to emotions. This led to the invention of the mood ring. Originally intended as a fashion accessory, mood rings became an instant trend. Their color-shifting ability fascinated people, making them an iconic, nostalgic item even today, and a prime example of how science can intersect with fashion. Number 5. The elastic waistband. Before the invention of the elastic waistband, clothing required traditional methods like belts or suspenders to hold things in place. In the early 1820s, J.C. McGiven developed an innovative idea by attaching rubberized fabric to waistbands. This small improvement made clothing much more comfortable and flexible, and later influenced the design of underwear, sportswear, and everyday casual clothing. The stretchy waistband has since become a feature of almost every modern-day wardrobe, ensuring comfort without sacrificing function or style. If you're enjoying these surprising stories, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more incredible discoveries. Now let's dive further. Number 6. Bubble tea, also known as boba tea, was first created by accident in the 1980s by Lin Xiu Hui, a tea shop owner in Taiwan. The concept of adding chewy tapioca pearls to iced tea came about when Lin mixed leftover tapioca pearls into the tea. It was meant to be an experimental twist, but customers quickly became hooked on the unique texture and flavors. Today, bubble tea is a global phenomenon with variations in flavor and topping choices, from fruit juices to popping pearls, making it a favorite drink around the world. Number 7. The traffic light timer, 1990s. Originally installed to help pedestrians cross streets more safely, countdown timers began appearing at traffic lights in the 1990s. These timers indicated how many seconds were left before the light changed. Initially, this helped people make better decisions when crossing, but drivers quickly discovered that these timers made it easier to anticipate when the light would change. Traffic engineers began using them at intersections, helping to reduce stress for drivers, improve traffic flow, and enhance safety for everyone on the road. Number 8. The rolling suitcase. In the 1970s, Bernard Sadow, a traveling executive, realized how difficult it was to lug heavy luggage around airports. He had the idea to attach wheels to a suitcase to make it easier to transport. This simple concept evolved into the rolling suitcase. Sado's invention revolutionized the way people travel, eliminating the need to carry heavy bags and making travel more convenient and less tiring. The rolling suitcase is now an essential part of air travel, with various designs to cater to different travel needs. Number 9. Speed bumps. First created in 1906 by Arthur Holly Compton, who was working to slow down horse-drawn carriages in urban areas. They were designed to reduce traffic speed near important areas such as schools and residential neighborhoods. With the advent of automobiles, speed bumps continued to serve their purpose, but they became even more crucial in modern times to enhance road safety. Today they are used in everything from shopping malls to parking lots, ensuring cars don't travel at high speeds in areas with heavy foot traffic. Number 10, the credit card imprinter. Before electronic payment systems, credit card companies needed a mechanical method to capture credit card information. In the 1950s, Henry S. Parsons invented the credit card imprinter, a device that used carbon paper to record the card's details. While magnetic stripe cards and chip-based systems have replaced the imprinter, this small machine was an essential part of the credit card industry for decades and laid the foundation for modern-day payment systems. Who knew these tiny inventions would transform everyday life? Let us know in the comments which invention surprised you the most. Want to learn more surprising discoveries? Stick around for the next episode. Thanks for watching.